not it. What? It's not it. This is just a black pipe. No. No, I'll make this one work though.
Well, the hunt continues. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Rough Vlog. See, the problem, Bryant, when you're filming is like I don't know what to do with my hands the whole time. So like I feel awkward. I got Bryant with me. You guys might remember him. He was here like 6 months ago fishing with me, and he brought his buddy Adam, who now, Adam, would you say that, can I say we're buddies, or?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Thinking about it?
Acquaintances.
Trial, we're still in the trial period?
Yeah.
Okay.
I still have time to make returns.
Yeah.
As long as I have a receipt, so we're good.
Okay. So we're gonna put these guys on some redfish, and Nicholas just came through. So they were supposed to come in a day ago, but Nicholas came through, had their flights all messed up. So finally got them into town. Don't have a clue where the redfish are hiding, so it might be interesting. Hopefully we can find some fish. Fingers crossed we're gonna find some.
Hey, we already found some dank tacos, so.
We did get some good tacos.
So.
It's one thing Corpus is known for, it's tacos.
Heck yeah. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Any last words?
No, I don't have any of those.
Going out.
I don't know.
Damn. Not even Mom, I love you.
Thank you all for being my friend.
The wind's blowing like crazy right now. So we're gonna run up, but we were gonna have to run across a couple bays where we would just get soaking wet. It wouldn't be fun. So I nixed that plan, decided to try to come into this other area, but there's a guy fishing where I wanna fish. The wind and the water level, as it is right now, it's gonna be tough to find fish, and then we gotta find some place where there aren't people. So you guys might be in for a little bit more boat riding this morning. I think that's what's gonna have to happen, is we're gonna have to go run the boat. You're gonna have to go on a longer boat ride.
No, it's okay. Verdict's still out on the friendship, but that's fine.
He's massive.
About to get hit in the back of the head with Brian.
You'll be all right.
Yep.
We finally put one in the boat.
Huge.
We've been dealing with a really stiff north wind, which is kind of unusual for this time of year, but it looks like it's kind of the tail end of Nicholas coming through this area. It's kind of made conditions a lot tougher than I had hoped for, but we've been seeing fish. We just have a lot of clouds, a lot of wind, and it's making it a little bit tougher than we'd hoped for. Nope, further out, further. Back it up towards the end of the grass. You're right over it. Cast about 2 feet forward to that, or cast. Let's see if I can find it. Yep, that's right in front of one. There's another one moving on the bank, so cast at about 11 up in the grass. Nope. just saw like a bunch of redfish. The problem is, so Nicholas pushed a bunch of water in here. Like I said, you guys are probably caught on, we've been dealing with Nicholas. Pushed a lot of water in here, and all those fish we were seeing, they were all sitting way down low. And we just didn't have enough. We actually had like a pretty decently weighted fly, but it was like still like a 2-second count to get it down to the bottom. And the amount of water we have is just taking too long. So Adam's got another fly with a little more weight. He's tying up right now.
He needs to pick it up.
And hopefully he'll catch a fish finally.
He needs to get after it.
If he catches one of those, that's like twice as big as... We're fine. We're fine. We're gonna be fine.
Are you good? Oh, well, you are now.
We really had 4?
Yeah. 4 hooked.
Oh, that's right, because we caught
Yeah.
Bryant caught 2.
Yeah.
No, I caught 1.
Both of those combined equaled 1. They were little guys. All right, fellas, look. We got to get off this flat. Brian's got to pull us about another 3 miles, and he just found out that that's how far he's got to go. So
That's what I've been training for.
there might be a fight, probably. Yeah. So I'm not gonna film that. You guys are just gonna have to envision what that looks like. Tough day. Well, we're off to a little bit of a slower start than we'd hoped. We didn't put the tiller extension. Having issues finding it. I'm hoping it's in the truck because that is a vital part of this operation. It looks like it might still be a little tough today. The wind's down, so that's good, but it's still out of the north for us, which is it's just a weird wind for this time of year. I'm hoping the fish are a little bit more settled out today. I'm excited. Weather's looking good. Wind's supposed to come down. Supposed to have clouds, but there ain't a one in the sky right now, so yeah, I'm pumped. Day 2, here we go. That's 2 redfish. You might be late to something now.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Right behind the boat. Like that cast, but further. To the left. Oh, you lined him. See him now?
Nope.
Alright. Cast. Alright, cast. Right there. A little bit further. Just a little bit further. Oh, I see him.
Oh, I see him. There he is.
Oh, let him eat it. Recast. Nope, there's
Yeah,
three of them
I see him.
Yeah, get a little closer to him.
He used a permit fish
Did you put a hook in there?
Yep.
Give it a gold!
Where to go at?
I want to know where to go hold at. So our fantastic guide Pete was pulling us down this flat right here, right up next to this bank, and then there's a nice little spot of sand before there's grass starting out. So there's like a little channel right through here. So we're pulling pretty quick, trying to get to a different spot around this corner. All of a sudden we start seeing a bunch of redfish out in front of us. I see one redfish and a school of mullet that I'm casting at, and making multiple casts at this school.
Hit the red.
Scam. He's a scam, folks. It said scam like. Whoever scam likely is.
Stop calling. Yeah.
You're calling me all the time.
Scam likely, please stop calling me.
Redfish, mullet.
So there's a redfish in this school of mullet that we're just casting at over and over again. And all of a sudden Pete turns around and sees 3 or 4. How many was it, Pete?
I saw one. I just saw the
one.
first one, and then like they were just popping up out of the weeds.
Yeah, and then they just started coming out of nowhere directly behind the boat.
It was a magic trick.
It really was. So I tied up some flies that are about this big with a pretty big tail on them for some of the redfish that I've done in the past. Make a cast back there. First cast, one eats it. I go to strip set, and it had short struck it. I guess my flash is just a little long for that fish. So anyways, somehow he didn't spook. They kind of kept just daisy chaining, it looked like, through there. Cast again, and another one just came and smashed it.
Let's get back to fishing.
Do you want to catch one?
I want to catch one.
They're
All
not
right.
fun. You
I've
won't
been
like
pulling all morning.
Uh,
All morning long.
I just would like to say that once again, 15 minutes.
them. Yeah, I don't even know if that
Say what you want, but Adam's just getting up there, getting it done, and moving on.
BE or whatever.
Oh, yes, sir.
Just chase that whole man. You chased it for a while. That's a large one.
That would have been a nice one.
Okay.
Yeah, let's put something else on.
We've seen a lot.
Still, yeah, we're seeing some good fish numbers. We're just not getting any good follows. Let's tie something a little bit smaller on. This is a little more minnowy. This is it's a crack fly, but still a lot of green. We're in some murkier water, so we're using a little bit darker, greener color fly. See how it works.
We literally had to hit him right on the nose. There we go, folks. Let's go.
That's a nice fish.
Day 2 was success.
We all caught a fish.
We all caught a fish. Yeah, I guess it didn't happen yesterday.
No.
Baby steps.
Brian just caught a bunch, and then I caught one.
Yeah, typical. It's getting late in the day. We're starting to get a lot of clouds rolling in, so we think we're gonna call it today. But you guys should tune in for day 3 when we catch a monster redfish. Yep, it's gonna happen. We're looking for the tiller extension for the boat because it got left on the side of the boat.
Nope, in the boat.
In the boat?
And this massive pothole.
This isn't even near the pothole.
Well, whatever.
I still haven't seen it.
Right there.
There it is.
Oh my god.
It's a long
I can park before you get out.
It's not it. What? It's not it. This is just a black pipe. No! No, I'll make this one work though.
Well, the hunt continues.
This and duct tape will absolutely work as that tiller extender.
That definitely would work.
Look, I'm just gonna get that a little Sabine button. We'll pop it on, some black duct tape, a couple of zip ties, and it's gonna be good as new.
These are
Hot.
Never caught a black drum.
Did you just catch your first black drum?
Yeah, I sure did. We had a pretty good float over here. We caught a couple fish. We're just gonna bebop to another spot. Stiffy pulse float. We're just gonna head on down this way a little ways.
Wait. What was that?
Oh, we're just gonna keep heading.
No. Before that.
Oh, before that, yeah. No, we caught quite a few.
No,
good
after
fish.
that.
The Stiffy pole float. We're gonna take just a quick detour. We're gonna run over here, pick up the pole. We're just gonna do a quick flip around, grab the pole, head on down this way. Yeah, it's been a pretty good day already.
Nailed it.
Oh! Gotta go find more fish.
Okay, so we were working this channel and we looked out on this sand flat and we saw like at least 10 redfish. So you see, we pulled the boat over and we're all wade fishing right now. Brian's out here in front of me. And Adam's over that way. I don't know how I'm using my phone because I didn't want to bring the big camera so I could bring a rod. So I don't know how this is going to sound, but I'm hoping they were seeing the boat. Because obviously they were seeing the boat and they were spooking off before we could get into range. So park the boat. We're trying to put a foot stock on them and see if we can sneak up to them a little bit. We've already put one on. See if we can do a couple more though. Awesome. He was ready for that What number is this? You lost count?
I got like 5.
Those were nice ones too, man. Those were not little.
They were just potted up. Like I would see like 3 to 4 in a group. And usually they just get it anywhere in front of them. So that was sweet. I could have stayed there all day. And I wish there were more redfish in there. I'll take a black.
The ones that were in there were super spooky.
Yeah.
Like, I'm glad we did this. This was the move.
Yeah.
Don't lose that again.
I was just seeing how it was working.
Man, so we weren't gonna stop and we did, and Brian slayed some black drum and like just I'm a firm believer of if the fish are getting really spooky and you can do it, get out of the boat, park it, wade after them, because they can definitely see the boat, feel the boat, and if you get out in the water and you start wading with them, they're a lot more likely to hit. And it definitely, that was true this afternoon, this last spot. But we got a long run back ahead of us, so I'm gonna sign out. You guys hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.